Your hat looking a little gross? Not to worry. In this video, we'll show you how to remove sweat and oil stains from your hat with ease. We'll be using some hydrogen peroxide and dish soap spray. Although hydrogen peroxide is generally a color-safe bleach alternative, we do recommend spot checking in an inconspicuous area in case. Here, we tested the fabric by dabbing some hydrogen peroxide on the inside part of the strap and the back. To get started, spray and saturate the visibly stained areas of the hat with hydrogen peroxide. We get the spray bottle type for ease of use. Next, we use the Dawn dish spray to go over the same areas, including the sweatband part of the hat. We love the ease of use and the foaming action of the spray versus regular dish soap. Once we get a nice layer of foam on, take a soft brush and gently brush through the stains. After brushing, go over the hat once more with the dish spray. Now, let the hat soak for about 30 minutes to let the hydrogen peroxide and dish foam work its magic. After 30 minutes, rinse the hat thoroughly with clean water and let the hat air dry. We suggest using a cap buddy if your hat has a rigid shape like a fitted baseball cap to maintain its shape after drying. Once your hat is completely dried, you'll see the oil and sweat stains have completely disappeared. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.